Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change canvas size for wallpaper. So if you want to change the canvas size, you can go to the canvas tools, click this icon canvas, and the next click on the canvas size, change canvas size. As default to be set in width in it. So you can set for the aspect ratio like width into 4K for 1000 to make it more high resolution, or you can set for the half into 2000. If you done, you can click apply and then click OK. So the canvas size will be set the resolution into 2000. Click again this canvas tools and click change canvas size. You can set for the high resolution into 4000 for width, and you can click OK to apply this canvas size. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change canvas size for wallpaper. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.